Look at that dash, man. Fucking hell. That is leg. That is fucking lenging there. Oh god, the creaking though. Fuck. These are getting old like that, yeah? Copying the Root Masters and the DWs. I remember DWs making that noise as well. Alright, mate. Look at this refurbished one up in the corner. I swear on my life, yeah, this is the first Enviro 400 EV I've seen get a refurb. Have they changed the seat pattern as well? No, it's still wrapped. Still got wrapped seating pattern. Okay. These are so lame.
Nottingham Station, Hillgate Street.